Good evening, students. So, we have reached the end of acid base concept given by various theories. And in this lecture, we will be going to discuss about the concept given by Lewis. Hence, the theory is named as Lewis theory on acids and base. Right? Let me write it as Lewis theory. Lewis. Lewis theory on acids and base, right? So this is what we are going to discuss now. So to understand what is actually Lewis acid and Lewis base, let me teach you a simple equation, right? Note it as boron trifluoride BF3 plus NH3. NH3, you know that it is ammonia. Let me write it very clearly, right? NH3. So how it reacts or how it interacts? So it will form a complex, and the complex is said to be F3 boron NH3 complex, right? So let me write it in a neat way. The interaction between boron trifluoride and ammonia gives a complex, and the complex is named as F3 BNH3, right? Remember. So in this equation, boron trifluoride, right, interacts with ammonia to form a complex, right? And to understand what is actually happening or what is actually about Lewis acid and Lewis base means Lewis acids are electron pair acceptor. Lewis acids are electron pair acceptors. Hence, they are denoted by positive symbol. Lewis acids are electron pair acceptor EPA, right? And they are denoted by positive symbol. So in this reaction, I mean the reaction between boron trifluoride and ammonia provides it gives rise to a formation of a complex. So in this reaction, right, boron atom in the boron atom in the boron trifluoride is a Lewis acid. It is a Lewis acid. Why it is a Lewis acid? Because it accepts a lone pair of electron from the nitrogen atom of ammonia group. And why boron accept a lone pair of electron from nitrogen atom, right? It clearly says that boron has a vacant orbital. As a result, it is still capable of accommodating a lone pair of electron to become stabilized. Hence, boron is a Lewis acid. It accepts a lone pair of electron donated by nitrogen atom of ammonia. So, by Lewis acid, boron is an acid because it accepts a lone pair of electron from nitrogen of ammonia group. Then what happened to the nitrogen atom? The nitrogen atom is a Lewis base. Why it is called as Lewis base? It is capable of donating an electron pair. It is capable of donating an electron pair. So what would be the result of this interaction between Lewis acid and Lewis base? So as a result of this interaction, I mean uh, between a Lewis acid and Lewis base, leads to the formation of a complex. Leads to the formation of a complex. And the complex, I can write the complex as F3B. Here I will put a small dot, right, followed by NH3. And this is actually a coordinate covalent compound. Coordinate covalent compound. And the coordinate covalent compound is it is denoted by a dot. Dot is actually a coordinate covalent bond that is formed between a Lewis acid and Lewis base, right? So Lewis acid, simply I can tell Lewis acid is a electron pair acceptor. Lewis base is electron pair donor. So Lewis acid is denoted by positive symbol. Lewis base is given by negative symbol. So hope you are now very clear about what is Lewis acid and what is Lewis base. And when compared to other two theories, let's recall, like Arrhenius theory or Lowry and Bronsted concept, Lewis theory is more advantageous and it gives more insightfulness about the behavior of acids and bases in all dimensions. So Lewis acid and Lewis base, this concept is very essential for your examination. So while writing in your answer papers, right, give a tabular column like this. So first column refers to Arrhenius theory, right? List down all the limitations here. Second one, Lowry and Bronsted concept. List down all the features. Third thing is Lewis theory. So in one table, you could able to recollect or you could able to summarize all these things, right? So presentation by this way will help you to fetch more marks from the examiners. Hope you will understand what is Lewis acid and Lewis base and how to present the answer in your answer sheet. Stay tuned with me. Bye bye.